Yep. That's my R30 Lionel set running on MTH track on the floor. My living room. It's a J-shape track. The track formation is J-shape, as I don't have room for a complete oval right now. And I haven't run this set in quite some time. And now that I've got this complete on the floor, I decided to get it out the box and run it. It's an absolutely gorgeous set. It was one of the better Subway sets produced, and I just wish that Lionel had kept producing them. They only produced the R27 was their first set. This set was the second that they produced, and the last was the R16. And I don't have either of the other two. I'm hoping to get an R27 set as soon as I can find one. But they're beautiful. Directional lighting, as you can see. Now it's going to come in this direction. And I'll stop it again. As you can see, opening and closing doors, which adds realism to the model. I mean, it even has seats in there, bench seats, as you can see. The only thing I didn't like, which I wish they had paid a little more attention to, was all these wires hanging from the ceiling for all the electrical components of the train. They could have cleaned that up a lot better and gotten those out of the way, particularly since the doors are opening. And they have a detailed finished interior, so they could have gotten rid of that. They could have cleaned that up. But that's all right, I guess. They're the only ones who produced the set with opening, at least automatically opening doors, power opening doors. And it's a nice set, it really is. If I change the direction, you can't read because of my phone here. It won't give you a clear picture of that lit sign, destination sign. But if I change the direction, that changes, as well as the signs on either end of the train. That changes too. So this is a really nice set. Really nice set. And I enjoy it. I wish I lived in a bigger space so that I can build a proper layout for it. O-scale is big. You need lots of room. But I'm enjoying it nonetheless. I want to share it. Let's let it get on its way here. Wrong direction. It's not where I wanted to go, but here you see the directional lighting. Let me change the direction, and the sign will change as well as the lights. Okay.